So we are at Ginrinsou Ryokan in Otaru, Hokkaido. Just got off the elevator on the 5th floor, which is the top floor of this ryokan. The room is a suite called Tsuru. So let's take a look at the room. Here's the entrance. And then you're treated to expansive view of the surroundings. The furnishings and decor are really nice. Otaru used to be a nishin, which is, I don't know the English fish, a big fishing town, and this was the former home of a baron. So anyways, left is where the bath is. The center is the living area. And then to the right is the bedroom. But let's show the living area first. So it's since it's the entire floor, you basically have 360 view, but of the ocean you pretty much have a sweeping view of the entirety of this whole area. So that's Otaru. And then over here is the ocean. All the way around. And this is the main living area. So this boat right here is a replica, a small replica of the fishing boats that used to trawl Kitamae in Otaru. 着物帯, the belt, the thing that goes in the middle. It's a famous guy named Tatsumura. So this entire area wraps around and you can see views of the ocean, the bay, land on all sides. Out in the distance, some mountains. All right. And then let's show you the bathroom and the hot tub. This is the toilet. Dual vanity. And this is the shower and the onsen bath. Natural hot springs bath. And then straight ahead is the bedroom. It's a Western style bedroom. so it has a bed. But again, in one of the other rooms, you can actually ask for a futon if you want to sleep traditional Japanese style. But 2 double beds, a desk, a nice flat screen Sony Bravia, and then again, very nice view from here. So as you can see, Ginrinsou sits atop of a hill, so I think all rooms probably provide really nice views, assuming it faces out this way, which I believe all of them do. So this is the Tsuru suite in Ginrinsou Ryokan in Otaru, Hokkaido, known for its seafood, canals, and much, much more. Ginrinsou.